Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend NEPAL. In this video I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu in Windows 10 with the help of the VirtualBox. In this video I will be showing the process of installing the Ubuntu in the VirtualBox. To install the Ubuntu, what you have to do, at first you have to download the VirtualBox. You can download the VirtualBox from this link. I'll give this link on the description, so not to worry about it. According to a host operating system, you have to download the package platform. So my host is Windows 10, so I'm going to download the Windows host. Just double click on it and download the VirtualBox. After downloading the VirtualBox, what you have to do, you have to open that set a file of VirtualBox. Just double click on it, run. Okay, now click on next, again click on next. Now install. The installation of VirtualBox may take some time, so you have to wait until it is successfully installed. After that, you have to download the ASA file of Ubuntu. You can download the ASA file of Ubuntu from this link. I'll give this link on description, so not to worry about it. So Ubuntu 19.1 is the latest version, so you can download this from here. Just click on download and it will be automatically downloaded. Okay, now VirtualBox is installing. Okay, after the installation of VirtualBox is finished, just click on uncheck this and just click on finish. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to open the VirtualBox. Now you have to click on new. We are going to install Ubuntu, so right here Ubuntu, just type it. So it is Linux and it is of 64-bit, so click on next. After that, you have to allocate the RAM for the Ubuntu, for the installation of Ubuntu. So I recommend you to allocate at least 2 GB of RAM, so at least minimum 2 GB. So click on next. After that, create a virtual hard disk. Now go for create, again leave as it is, BDI. After that, dynamically allocated, just so leave it as it is, go for next. After that, you have to create a virtual hard disk for the Ubuntu, for the installation of the Ubuntu. So I recommend you to keep its size up to 20 GBs. It will be enough for the installation of the Ubuntu. Go for create now, just keep it above 20 GB, go for create. Okay, now it is created here. So now you should open the Ubuntu. Now you have to open the settings here. After that, click on advanced and click on this and keep it bidirectional. Again click on this and keep it bidirectional. This will allow you to copy and paste file between the host and the Ubuntu. Between the Windows 10 and the Ubuntu. After that, you have to click on systems, again click on processor and keep it processor up to this green mark and leave it as it is. After that, click on display. Okay, now move this up to here. It will make the display a bit better, so leave it as it is. Now you have to click on system here. Sorry, you have to click on storage here, and after that you have to click on this empty, and after that you have to click on this icon. Now you have to choose a ISO file. So now click on add and choose your ISO file which you have just downloaded. So this is the ISO file of Ubuntu which I have just downloaded. So click on open, again click on choose. Now Ubuntu is successfully chosen here. So now what you have to do, you have to just click on this OK. Now all these settings are saved. Now you have to open the Ubuntu. Just click on start and wait for a bit until the Ubuntu is loaded. Okay, now VirtualBox is loaded and now Ubuntu will be installing from here. Just minimize this. Wait until the Ubuntu is successfully loaded. It may take a while. Okay, after the Ubuntu is successfully loaded, you have to click on install Ubuntu. You have to choose your language and click on install Ubuntu. Now it will start the process of installation of the Ubuntu. Now you have to you have to keep your keyboard layout. I'm just leaving as it is, and you can test your keyboard here. Just type anything and go for continue. Now what you have to do is click on this normal installation and click on this last option, install third-party softwares. And if you have internet access, then you can download the updates installing the Ubuntu, but it may take a long time, so I'm just unchecking this option, and now I'm going for installation. Go for continue. Now you have to choose the first option, leave it as it is. If you choose other option, then it will complicate the things, so just choose the first option and leave it as it is and go for install now. Okay, and just click on continue here. It will format the partition of 20 GB which we have just created in the settings, so go for continue. Now you have to choose your time zone. So I am from Nepal, Kathmandu, so I'm just leaving as it is here. Go for continue. Now you have to choose your username, your password. So just type your username here. Okay, click on this and go for continue. Now the Ubuntu will start to install, so it may take a while. It may take up to 10 to 15 minutes or even more according to the capabilities and the performance of your computer. So just leave it here. It may take some time, and then let's wait until the installation is completed. Sometime it may download the packages, so make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, because it may download the language packages and other different packages for the application, so sometimes it may require the internet connection. Since I'm connected to the internet, so it has started to download the packages. So if you want to maximize this, then go to the full screen mode and click on switch. Now okay, so if you want to minimize again, then just go here and just touch here, and after that click on this. It will be minimized. Oh sorry. Click on minimize button, otherwise you can Okay, otherwise you can press control left control plus F, which will switch the um, which will minimize and maximize the this window. So let's wait until the packages are installed. Okay, after installation is completed, you can see this message here. So click on restart now and wait for a bit. Okay, after restart is completed, you will see this Ubuntu is loading here. You have to just wait for some minutes until it is loaded. Okay, now click on your username and hit your password, which you have kept during the installation. So once sign in. Okay, in this way, Ubuntu is successfully installed. Just click on skip and go for next. Again, click on next and now click on done. Okay, now your Ubuntu is ready to use. So this is my Ubuntu. This is my username here. So you can see this Mozilla Firefox, and yes, you can access to the files from here. This is the Ubuntu software store from where you can download the softwares. So hey guys, thank you for watching. I'll make such video. If you like, share and subscribe my channel. You can connect with me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll give the link on the description. So thank you for